Are you tired of your Jeep's door net sagging, your gear rattling around, and the chaos that comes with off-road adventures? We've got you covered. Today we're diving into the top 3 front door pocket replacements for your Jeep Wrangler and Gladiator. Rugged, stylish, and built to keep your essentials secure on every trail. Say goodbye to flimsy nets and hello to durable, organized storage. And remember, all the product links are in the video description below, so you can upgrade your Jeep right away. Let's start with the front doors storage by SHEAM. This option is perfect for Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT models from 2018 to 2023. SHEAM pockets replace the flimsy net with sturdy metal storage, giving you expanded space for essentials like flashlights, wallets, and even a tape measure. The build quality is impressive, with partial metal mesh for added toughness. Installation is straightforward with no drilling required, and they even provide the tools and instructions. Plus, with a 1-year guarantee, you can buy with confidence knowing they've got your back. Next up are the DV8 Offroad Pockets. These sleek steel pockets fit Jeep Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT models from 2018 to 2025, replacing the original nets with a rugged mole panel design. The outward protruding panel is great for water bottles or larger items, and the black powder coat finish blends seamlessly with your Jeep's interior. Installation is a breeze with snap-in locking tabs, although you will need to cut and remove the factory netting. If you want a solid, stylish storage solution with flexible gear mounting options, DV8 is a fantastic choice. Finally, we have the metal front door pockets by DIAMOOKY. Built from high-quality 304 stainless steel, these pockets are incredibly sturdy, resistant to corrosion, and made to last. They provide ample space for everything from sunglasses to holsters, and they mount securely using your Jeep's original net screws. No drilling required. Compatible with Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT models through 2025, this is a top-tier option for Jeep owners who want a premium, worry-free storage upgrade. Whichever option you choose, all 3 products will enhance your Jeep's functionality and keep your essentials in order. Check the links in the video description to learn more, and let us know in the comments which one you prefer. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Jeep upgrades and product reviews.